Hi folks, I'm Tom, and we're going to see what the final product of my biker wood spirit birdhouse turned out. We're going to work our way up there. Yeah, there's my back creek. Get up to my back porch up here. I hope you can see this guy. I hope the lighting isn't too bad. Maybe if we turn them this way. Oh, I don't want to end up with them on the ground. There he goes. He's got a smoke hanging out of his mouth. He didn't turn out too bad. I had one heck of a time putting them together though. I figure you guys got tired of watching me cut herring, so I just put it together. He turned out pretty good. I just burned him, I didn't stain him. That's the biker, he's got the wind in his face. He didn't turn out too bad. Okay, well, thanks for visiting, and I hope you liked them. I'm going to start making another one now. Bye-bye.